In this video, I will give a review of the book Timeless Tyrolean Knitwear. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. So I recently got a copy of the book Timeless Tyrolean Knitwear, and so I'd like to share my thoughts on it and show you a little bit about this book. So here's the book. It's Timeless Tyrolean Knitwear, and it's by Linda Ivell. And it's recreating the vintage style. So it's all about vintage Tyrolean knitwear. It's a lovely book. It's paperback. It was released earlier overseas. I only was recently able to get a copy. It only recently was published in the US. So it's a lovely book, color photographs. There's history of the Tyrolean knitwear and origins, and then some information about the vintage yarns that were used and things like that. And then it goes into some of the techniques and the embroidery methods. It's lovely, lovely book. There are then several patterns then inside. So they're all taken from or inspired by vintage patterns. The one of the drawbacks to this book I found is that the patterns are typically written still for only one size or maybe two sizes. Most of the options for multiple sizes are giving you suggestions to change your needle size instead of your standard, more modern graded multiple sizes. So that's kind of a drawback. If you were looking for patterns to make for yourself, then there may not be ones in here that you can use straight out of the book. You will need to make adjustments to your gauge in order to make them fit, which is not the best way to resize a pattern to fit multiple sizes. So that is one drawback, but they are lovely examples of some vintage patterns worked up, then modernized. Not really modernized, but written in modern language. There are no real charts for the cables or whatnot, but there are some color work charts. But there are some cables that are worked, and it's all in using written directions as opposed to using a cable chart. There are some kind of tutorial photos and wordings. So since I do love vintage knitting, it was a no-brainer for me to purchase this, and I follow the author on Instagram, and I will link her handle in the description box below if you'd like to follow her as well. So I did want to support her by purchasing her book. It's a lovely book, and she's done a wonderful job. Let me know what you think in the comments below and whether or not you'll be picking up a copy as well. I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, happy knitting.